I'm interested. What's the price?
25,000.
It's seen better days. How about it?
22.5. Final offer. Deal.
Pleasure doing business.
You too. All right. We're pulling out now. Easy now. Let's see what's inside.
Whoa, look at all that dust.
Rusted solid. Might still have some life.
This place is like a tomb. Whoa, that's intense.
Yeah, stripping all this rust.
It's like a transformation.
Almost there. The real metal is showing.
She's flawless.
She sure is.
Here's the rest, as we agreed.
Looks right. She's all yours.
Thank you so much. She looks incredible.
My pleasure. Drive safe.